and welcome to Housing. In today's video, we will be doing the teaser of Pride World Miami of the Pride World City, which is located near D.Y. Patil University Road, Dhanuri, Pune, and is developed by Pride Group. As you can see, I'm at the actual location of the project, and behind me is the sales office of the Pride World City. In front of the sales office is the D.Y. Patil University Road, and on the opposite side of the sales office is the land parcel of the project. In this video, we will be discussing the pillow points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly to its developers. Unlike other traditional property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. So, the project overview of Pride World Miami is that it will be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel with 9 high-rise towers, each tower having 2 basements plus ground plus 23 floors, which will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now, coming to the location and the connectivity of the project, Pride World Miami of the Pride World City is located near D.Y. Patil University Road, Dhanuri, Pune, जिसमें सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने है डी.वाई. पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी रोड, जिसके राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको कनेक्ट करता है चारोली रोड से एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कनेक्ट करता है आपको धानोरी से. जिसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है डी.वाई. पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी विद इन 700 मीटर्स, पठारे चौक विद इन 2.7 किलोमीटर्स एंड जूडियो विद इन 6.2 किलोमीटर्स. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में. दिस प्रोजेक्ट हैज़ ओवर 30+ luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, club house, indoor games, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, sports facilities and many more. Now coming to the carpet area of the project, Pride World Miami project will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, in which 2 BHK starting from 785 to 795 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1059 to 1488 square feet and 4.5 BHK which is 2260 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. The project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the project's complete details with the help of the project's 3D model. We'll share with you pricing and payment schemes and will show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Pride World Miami of the Pride World City, which is located near D.Y. Patil University Road, Dhanuri, Pune, and is developed by the Pride Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.